Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu, your CAD resource. In today's video, we are looking at part 3 of 6 videos covering the topic, how to draw an involute to a circle. We thank you for joining us, and we'll be starting the video in ortho, so you can see the line at an angle, right? So, the length of the line will be 125.6 millimeters, right? And the angle would be 240. Enter. Good. Enter. All right, we're going to draw another line perpendicular from 5. So we're going to come here. I'm going to select the 5. The length of the line will be 100, which is a 125 millimeter, 125.6 millimeters. The angle would be 210. Press enter to end the command, okay? All right, at 6, that line would be a perpendicular or horizontal line. So we just come like this. Type 125.6 millimeters, and the angle is 180. Enter. All right. So at 7, we're going to do the same thing. So at 7, I'm going to turn off ortho. So the length of the line would be the circumference, 125.6 millimeters, and the angle would be 150. All right. We press enter to get the last command. All right, so this line again will be 125.6 millimeters, and the angle would be 120. All right, so we can center the drawing so you can see it a little bit better. All right, there it is. All right, at 9 it will be a perpendicular line. All right, so we go line. Gonna turn on ortho so the line is vertical. So we come up 125.6 millimeters, enter. Enter to close the command. And then we have 2 more lines. So we're going to go intersection at 10. We're going to turn off ortho so we can see the line at an angle. So this line will be 125.6 millimeters, and the angle would be 60 degrees. Enter to end the command. And then the last one, what angle do you think that would be? Remember, we're measuring 0 and we're measuring anti-clockwise, so that would be what? 30 degrees. So we're going to pick up this point. I'm going to zoom back out. The length of the line would be 125.6, and the angle would be 30 degrees. Enter. Enter again to close the command. So good job if you followed along. Yes. And again, we are drawing the involute to a circle. In the previous videos, we looked at the involute of a square, involute of a triangle. So perhaps you could visit those videos after you have completed watching this one. All right? Okay. Now, there are different ways to draw the involute. This is just one method, all right? Maybe in the future, I'll show you another method to get the same drawing. All right. So, this point here, at this point here, this is the first point. Right here is the first point where the circle intersect this red dot. That's the first point, okay? All right, so that's 0 and 12. All right, well, no, that's 0. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to transfer this point 1, to this line, which is 1, right? All right. So we're going to go to the Draw tab. We're going to drop down Center Start End. So center here, radius here. We're going to draw an arc to come at 1. Enter. All right. We're going to move the 12 so that you can see it, right? So I'm going to move the 12 below. Enter. So you can see the intersection. All right. Remember the 12 and the O is right here where this red square dot is. All right. Good. All right. So this is point 1. We're going to do point 2 now. So I'm going to center the drawing so you can see. All right. Beautiful. Good job if you're following along. All right. So we're going to go center at O. Center start and the center will be at the center of the circle. The radius will be at this intersection. So we're going to mark an arc coming to 2, which is this one. All right. Good. We're going to do the same process from 3. So we're going to go center start end. Center the intersection. We're going to go to 3 right here. We're going to click on it and we're going to draw the arc coming to, where is 3? Right here. Isn't that so? Good. All right, so we're going to go to 4 now. So we're going to go arc, center start in, center the intersection here, radius here at 4. And we're going to draw the arc coming all, where is 4? 4 is right there. All right. We're going to do the same process again. So center start and center the intersection there. I'm going to go to 5. I'm going to mark an arc coming all the way around. 5 will be right there. All right. We're going to do 6. So we're going to repeat the process. Center start and so center here. Radius at 6. Going to mark an arc coming all the way. 6 will be here. Yes. Right. Then we're going to do 7, right? So we're going to go center start in at 7. I hope you're following along, you know. I'm going to come around. 7 is this one. All right. So we're going to repeat the process for 8. So center start in, center here. We're going to go to 8. Click on it. And we're going to come around all the way around. 8 is right there. Good. And remember 9 was the vertical one, so we're on the right path. So center start end. Come around 9 is here. All right. We are going to do the same thing for 10. All right. So center, go to 10. And we're going to come around all the way around to there. All right. Then we're going to do 11. So we're going to center start end. Center the intersection or the center of the circle. Radius will be there. Click on it. And we're going to go all the way around to 11. Enter. All right. Enter to get the last command, which is the arc. So we're going to go arc, center start. We have come to the end of today's video, which is part 3 of 6 videos covering the topic, how to draw an involute to a circle. We're looking forward to seeing you in part 4. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.